My name is Alaska John, lots of things here going on. Thanks for watching all my videos. And so you know, before you go, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just so you know, before you go, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Alright, well, I got something really neat to show you. I just got back from one of the gun shops in town. Take a look at that. I got this at Northern Security. It's located at 4147 Old Seward, and I'll throw the phone number and what have you in the description down below. But this is my first Smith & Wesson I've ever owned. So let me get it popped open for you. It is a Smith & Wesson M&P 9mm. It's not only the first Smith & Wesson I've ever owned, it's also the first 9mm I've ever owned. I got what I think is just an awesome deal on it. I got it for $465, which includes all the taxes and everything. Brand spanking new. I held it just once before I said, yep, that's what I want, and in the box it went. It comes with 3 different grip sizes. I've got the smallest one on there for my small hands. It's a beautiful looking gun. Again, there's the 2 other grips. It's got 1 magazine in it. Comes with a couple other magazines. Looks like it holds 17 rounds, and then per magazine. Then you got 1 in the chamber, so I guess you're looking at 18 rounds you can have. This is the full-size model, M&P 9. Let's see. Yep, just a gorgeous looking gun. Alrighty, well, there you go.